Good day, guys. Just be looking at hope you had a good weekend. Looking forward to another trading week. But I must say this week is going to be really challenging because you've got a number of central bank with news events coming out. So one has to be very careful. Just as though you've got non-farm payroll last week, you're gonna have some crucial events coming out this week that you need to be aware of. And if you're not aware of those news events, then it can be, have a detrimental effect on your account. I'm sure I'm talking about here now, because you can't really say we're trading. We're doing technical analysis, but when there are certain major events, then you still want to, But the one that we've got here is the Bank of England. We've also got the Swiss National Bank, and you've also got the ECB, and you've got the Fed. So these are three, right? Over a few. And also you've got this one as well. So basically what you don't want to do is ignore these things. However, I must say that the market tends to tell us everything. The price action tells us everything. But then I'm just saying be mindful, okay? Especially if you're trading on a real account. Okay, so let's get stuck in it. Now this account I use to trade the inside bar strategy. So I'm looking for euro here. I've got a pin bar so far. Clearly, it's just making lower highs, but guess what? This was my lowest low. Price move back up to previous pullback and now pull, so it could be that it decide now that's want to go back up. Also with the moving average telling us that, at this very point here was like sideways. So the thing, even though we're now getting higher lows as well, look, see, higher highs as well. So it could be that the market is decide to turn around. I want to head back up. So I'll be looking for any signal at this level. When it goes up to here, I could also be looking for get the right signal. Then I'll be looking for it to go back down to this level. So, or even this level here. Okay, if it moves all the way down to this point, then I'll also be looking, But as I said, then we'll be looking at we're going into reversal trade because the trend will have no change direction. Okay. Next one I'm looking at is GBP JPY. No. This thing, obviously, it's in an uptrend based on here. But then, if you look within this region here, it's in a region of consolidation, just moving in between this region here, so sideways market type. However, if I get the right sort of signal here, in terms of my inside bar, and especially with this, resistance here, prices, refusing to go in higher there, refusing to go in higher there. Then I might take this back down to this level here. Okay, but we'll have to wait and see. Okay, and that's for the GBP JPY, no GBP CAD. Okay, if price come back to this point, then I would want to, buy. Price, with the right candle at this level, then I'm looking to buy because we can clearly see higher lows here, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So you want to buy. Okay. This is GBP CAD. Okay, and then the GBP CHF. Right now we've got rejection at this level here, rejection there, But then what I need to get the right signal for me. But anyway, is look, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, and so on. So this is clearly in an uptrend. So if I go against a trend there, then I've got to make sure that I've got the right signals to take such a trade. Okay, and as I teach in my course, the trend is different. However, if you look at my course material and how I trade against a trend, you'll see that the reversal trades give even far better win rate than trading with a trend. But I would always suggest that people, especially for newbies, trade with the trend. Okay, so that's for the GBP CHF. Okay, GBP New Zealand. Yeah, the right signal here. Then I'm looking for it to come back here. I got into this trade actually, and I think I got out there. Okay, Now, basically, with the right sort of signal, then I'll probably looking to trail this thing back down to this point, which is 290 compared to 200. So that's almost like a one-to-one sort of trade. Yeah, if anything. So GBP New Zealand. Next trade, but just remember, if I go this way, guys, that's a reversal trade. You understand? Okay, so be careful. Then the next one is New Zealand USD. Okay, if I get the right sort of signal here, then I'm buying, but preferable selling, because we must can see that this is clearly in a sideways market type. We've got an inside bar, got a rejection there, come back down again, rejection there as well. So it seems that the market wants to just play around within this region here. So if I get with the right signal, then I'm looking to enter there, and with the right signal, I'm looking to enter there. Okay, and that's for the so we've got no USD Swiss franc. Okay, now we're getting, but look what has happened. This was a high, but look now, it's changed, start going, break down, yeah, pull back, break down, pull back again. So with the right signal here, then I'm looking to sell. As much as the moving average is still showing me that this thing is in an uptrend, but clearly this higher high is broken there. And with my levels, with the right signal here, then I'll consider this trade going down. Okay, but as I said, we have got to get the right signal before we take the trade. Next one is silver, Australian dollar. So which is our silver? Okay, with the right sort of signal here, then I'm definitely interested in this trade. Okay, yeah, I wrote this all the way down to here. Look how far it went to. But with the right sort of signal, this is definitely a reversal trade. Okay, so as I said, I've got to get the right signal, or else I'm not taking a trade. And if you want to learn more about the signals that I'm talking about, then just contact me. Next one I'm looking at is gold. Okay, now I'm just waiting for it to come pull back to this level. Pulls back there, then I'm in. Pulls back up there, then I'm basically looking to sell. Okay, pulls back here, I'm looking to buy. However, as I said, I'll only take the trade if I've got the right signal. Okay. Right, guys. So and also what we've got here as well. This is my chart for the engulfing and pin bar trading strategy. Now, as we can see, that this thing clearly is in a downtrend, but we can see that something is happening around this region. Got a really nice pin bar. Okay. Now, this strategy that I use on this account is the engulfing candle. Now, if I get the right signal, okay, then I'm looking to go along here, even though it's a reversal trade. Yeah, I'll be looking to go along. Okay, and possibly I'm looking to go along there above, if the market moves above there. So I'll be looking at this with 92, and I'm risking 40. I'll be risking just the low here, so 40 pips. That's what I'm risking to make 89 pips there. Okay, this one is the Aussie CAD. All right. So guys, good luck. Happy trading week. Have a look and and see how you're getting on. If you want to know more about this price action trading using the different strategies I'm using, I've been doing very well. And if you want to be a part of what I'm doing, then contact me. You can contact me on Facebook. Learning for future success. For future investment, you could also contact me via my email, which is learningforfuture@gmail.com. learningforfuture1@gmail.com. Have a good evening, guys. Stay blessed.